National Hook-Up of Black Women, Incorporated, improving the lives of others through arts, culture, education, health, wellness, and human service programs.
My name is David Dillon. This is my second year in Hook-Up. I like Hook-Up because we can have activities, eat, go on field trips, and learn about staying clean, healthy, and read and write.
Hank was such a crank. Hank was honking and hissing as much as he could. Hank honked at Farmer Ann as best as he could. Can you tell me which one is Mrs. Farmer Ann? Yep, that's her all right. She lives in this pretty, they have this pretty nice looking barn out here in Joliet, on South Joliet here. They have a little red barn out there, and they have all these ducks and horses and stuff like that, and it's really cool. But this duck, he gives the farmers a heck of a time. I don't think it's cool at all, but we're going to find out why Hank is such a crank. Yeah, I'll take you over there if you want to go, but you got to ask your mom first, because I can't take kids without mom's permission, or dad's permission either.
That speaks through the lives of everyone.
The National Hook-Up of Black Women have helped us by donating books for our families, bilingual books as one of the things that they have done for us, especially they're hard to find for our parents, but that gives the opportunity for the parents to read at home to their children.
And also they donated the books for our families, so sit down with quiet time, do literacy activities with the children to promote not only literacy for the child, but literacy for the adults. Just the picture words, even though if that parent can't read, they can read the pictures, and that way that would help not only the child, but the whole family.
Yes, I do. 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 Yes, I do.
For the last 9 years, we celebrated our 9th year anniversary on last November. And during that time, up until that time, we would normally have at least 120 men who would come to get themselves tested and to keep up on the health of their prostate.
Oh, yeah, there's a sweet song of love that sings through the lives of everyone.
Got themselves checked, and many of them have gotten diagnosed because of this program.
Oh, yeah.
Say the Black Hook-Up have been there for every year of those 9 years to support and to sponsor this program is the reason why we're so successful with the turnout.
Okay, kids should have more of this in school because it will teach them to identify the kind of abuse that's happening, and so they could prevent it from happening.
Like, you don't have to hurt somebody to prove that you love them. Correct. And like that's not true love. You gotta hurt somebody. Like, you don't have to tell somebody you'll do something to them to make them stay with you.
And we thought that the power of working together could be extremely beneficial in improving literacy throughout our region. Why would a hospital care about that? Well, we care about it because, first of all, the children that we're talking about could be the children of our employees that might not have the opportunity to learn to read as soon as other children. And we care about it because someday these children who live in this community are our future employees. And we want them to be able to read so they can take on healthcare jobs in the future. And we also care about it because if people are educated and people are able to read, they in fact will do a better job taking care of their own health. And although we're a hospital and treat sickness, our ultimate objective is to help people stay healthy. And I think this program has gotten a lot of publicity in the community. It's been a wonderful partnership with Hook-Up. We've added a second reading room through the Housing Authority here, and I think that it demonstrates how a hospital of community organizations such as Hook-Up and many others can work together to improve the overall well-being of the community.
3,